Hello my friends, today I'm following the tracks of this squirrel, I guess, but I'm not sure. Anyway, small wild animal, and I will get, I'm in this wonderful environment, and I will get on the top of a hill. Not sure if I will make the fire. I guess will be more a hiking video, and so I have my gas stove with me, and I will surely have a good tea and eventually something else cooked on it, but I'm not sure if I will make the fire. We will see during the day. What a wonderful environment, guys. Usual, nobody around, nobody has passed through here, and I don't expect to see anybody during the day. A usual day for me. I like to listen to the silence of the nature and to have the time to think and to wander around all by myself. Sometimes when I wander around in this winter environment, I just think about the fact that we need all that survival stuff to buy on the net, and all those tools that help us to survive in this environment, just for a few hours, at max for a few days, and then I see the traces of these wild animals that live up here without during winter, without anything else than their skills and their instinct. So sometimes I wonder if we just don't need to improve our skills and to learn from the nature, to enjoy it and to live in it. Just a thought. Today I'm trying to make a ring, an hiking ring, and I will try to connect to the trail that I've made yesterday. It's a longer trail today because I don't plan to stop for much time, so I plan to hike much more. And well, it's new ring. I've never done this trail before, and I'm glad to do it with such an environment. Even if sometimes in these conditions if you don't know the trail and you have only to rely on the map, it's not very easy. You have to be really careful. Also because nobody's around, as I said, and so if something happened to me, it would be really a big problem. It's a big area. We have even an echo. This big area, flat area around here, would be really a perfect fireplace, full of wood, dead wood around, dead standing also. And as I said, it would be really a wonderful solution for a fireplace. But today I plan to hike, so I will keep it on my GPS and save it. So maybe in the future I will come here. I guess that during summer it will be much more crowded than this. But anyway, good to know for me. This wonderful forest is a beech wood. I guess it's the right word in English. Anyway, I don't like not that I don't like that wood, but let's say that I'm not accustomed to the beech. So in my place I found more the chestnut, which is for me really easy to process for a fire. Split really straight. You can make wonderful feather sticks and burn for me better, absorb less moist, so for me it's easier to process for the fire. But maybe, as I said, it's just a matter of practice. If I was born in a place like this, I would probably know the environment better. So it's important that you learn your environment, and also when you go in a new place, you make practice to your skills with this new environment. Climbing a lot, guys. I've got to get up there and even more, because well, we have to climb a lot. I've taken out my sticks because the steepness is really tough, guys. But anyway, I'm almost at the top for what you can see with this dreadful weather. Here is the top, guys, and it's been really tough to get up here. But we have to climb the other 200 meters. Not really right now, but in a few minutes. I just passed through a blizzard on the top of that mountain that I wasn't able to film, but I can tell you guys, and you can tell also from my clothes, that it was really something strong. Anyway, I regained the wood, and so now the situation is much better. As usual, there is no signs of any trail. Just have to follow the map, but in this condition is really difficult to do. Here I am in the middle of nowhere, in this wonderful place, but I don't really know where the trail is. I will show you this in the map. You see I am here following the green trace and want to get to that X there and rejoin the trail that I've made yesterday, which was really a bit more tracked and traced. You can find there some signs to follow. You can see it's all the same, so it's like a labyrinth. But I guess that I'm almost arrived at the crossway with the yesterday path. Still climbing, but almost there, guys. Someone will remember from the other video these stones which signs the trail and which I will follow to reach the top, which is really near by now. Anyway, those rocks sign the peak, the top of this hill, which I gained with a great effort, guys. The wind is like a blizzard, and it's really difficult even to stand in these conditions. This is the top of the mountain. This cross signs the top of the mountain, guys. Now we will descend because here the wind is really strong. I don't even know if you can hear me. This is the fireplace of yesterday. And this, guys, is a footstep of a wolf, a big one also. I knew that There are wolves around here, but I've never encountered one. Anyway, this is a really a big one. Also, given the rate of the snowstorm, these should be really fresh footprints. You've got to get down there, when you see those trees down there, and this is the height that I climbed today, or at least a part of that height. That house down there is what you have seen at the beginning of this video. The small building down there. I passed through there and go in that valley inside there. And now I have to go down slowly from here. This is the perfect spot to stop for a while, for a few moments, and have a good tea. I will boil it with my gas stove, and have also some good biscuits. It's snowing very well again, guys. Okay, it's boiling. This is for now. Okay. Cheers, my friends. Today, I really deserve it. Wonderful day outside, and anyway, guys. We are at the end of this video. Again, my friends, thank you so much for your company, and it's always a pleasure to read your comments. And one of you which is new could always think to subscribe to the channel. Anyway, my friends, till next time, I wish you all the best. See you soon, my friends. Bye bye.